everybody, this is Caesar. This is the next day for fine tuning. Here's a better look. I think we finally got the problem fixed for the faulty wideband reading. Start it up, here we go. 1, 2, 3. We got our working fan switch here. So we just confirmed that this unit doesn't need to be hooked up anymore. We just confirmed it, we unplugged it. And then next step is to tune the turbo here. This is the boost control solenoid. Right now we have it disconnected. That means that the turbo is working based off whatever the pressure and the factory wastegate is at. I believe it's either 6 or 8 pounds to boost. So right now we're gonna do a road test and confirm the pressure. But that's it, guys. All right, we can do the road test in a bit and get back to it. Cool, thanks for watching and to be continued. Oh, and by the way, the reason the wideband was reading incorrect is because we had to add a ground to, this is the sub harness that comes off the, this is sub harness that comes off the wideband here. There it is. So that brown wire right there needs to be grounded to the chassis. And this white wire right there, that one goes into the ECU, and that's how we get the same reading of the wideband there and same reading wideband onto the computer. And that's it, guys. Cool, thanks for watching. To be continued.